Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. As a university students, we find ourselves often caught up with the responsibilities as a student, and our physical health has taken the backseat. So, with the increasing percentage of overweight individuals across our country, fitness has become a growing concern even within our campus. So, for this project, we are keen to explore the fitness level among students at Iium, at CFS Iium, and we want to find out how fit actually we are, what kind of exercises we do, how often we do them, and how the academic stress affects our participation in those activities. So for this study, we use a convenient sampling method where we gather data from students who are willing to participate in the study. And in total, we get a bunch of responses from around 80 students that response, which consists of 71.3% of male students and 88.7% of female students. And this gives us an interesting perspective on gender patterns in physical activity as well.
Now, let's move to the data analysis of main quantitative data, which is fitness level among CFS Iium students. We have construct a frequency distribution table for body mass index BMI. We can see here there is a 9 table of 9 class different, which is show that multiple information of BMI. Next, we move to the calculation of mean, mode, median, and standard deviation. As you can see here, our mean is 21.18, while median is 21.63, and mode is 21.12. And for the last thing is standard deviation, which is 5.73. We also construct a variety of graph, which is histogram, frequency polygon, and histogram. That's all from me.
And today I'll be presenting to you our quantitative data, which is other than main variable on exercise habit of CFS Iium students. So today I'll be only focusing on weekly exercise of student in CFS Iium and duration taken for a physical activity done by student in CFS. Let's start with weekly exercise frequency. So from our findings, we can conclude that the most common frequency is 2 times per week, which is reported by 17 students, and this is followed by 3 times per week, which is reported by 15 students only. And the least common frequency is 0 day, which is not doing exercise for the whole week, and this is only reported by 1 student from our 80 respondents. But the most interesting fact that there is like 10% from our respondents who do physical activities throughout the whole week, which is 7 days. Next, we will discuss on duration of a physical activity. This pie chart shows how long does students spend on a physical activity. We have 4 categories for duration: 0 to 20 minutes, 21 to 40 minutes, 41 to 60 minutes, and more than 60 minutes. So from this chart, we can find that the biggest group of duration, usually students in CFS Iium, spend 41 to 60 minutes in doing a exercise, and the smallest group of students in CFS Iium usually spend their time less than 20 minutes for a exercise. So now we will move to qualitative data. So for our first topic, we will discuss on physical activity participation by gender. So from our chart, we can conclude that male dominates most of type of physical activity. So participation of male respondents highly seen in sport and workout. In sport, we have 18 male respondent and 3 female respondents, while workout we have 16 male respondents with 2 female respondents. But female respondents only lead in physical activity, which is brisk walk. So in brisk walk, we have 14 female respondents versus only 4 male respondents. So from this data, we can conclude that female workout or physical activity preference is more involved in light form of exercise, such as walk and such as brisk walk and jogging.
Based from the findings, the majority respondents from the survey rate the physical health level at 3 to 4, with a total of 26 and 27 respondents respectively, and only one respondent that rate their fitness level at 1, which indicates that most students of CFSI Iium have a good physical health at a moderate to good level. Have you ever wondered, do academic stress really prevent students from exercising? From this pie chart, we can conclude that 52.5% students answered sometimes, 12.5% answered yes, and 35% students answered no, which we can conclude that more than half of the students feels that academic stress affects them occasionally. This means that they may skip physical activity when they have the high workload, but they doesn't ignore them at all.
To sum up, the studies reveals that males have a higher average BMI, which is 22.99 compared to females 20.23. Most of students falls in healthy BMI range, which is 19 to 25, though the distribution is slightly right skewed. The 95 confidence interval for the BMI of male students is from 21.71 to 24.27, while for the female is a statistically significant difference between the average BMI of male and female. Happen by random chance is very low, less than 5%. This means that we have strong statistical evidence to support that male students tend to have higher BMI values compared to female students. This study effectively considering gender difference when analyzing physical fitness level and suggests that future health and wellness program at CFSI Iium may benefit from being tailored accordingly.